When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 10th of October. I'm James Spann. Showers and storms around this evening. Tomorrow, a small chance of a shower. Then we go dry for a while. Let's take a look. Familiar look here. We've got a ridge here across the deep south. Pretty good wave coming out of the western states, not that far away. And that is aiding in the development of showers and thunderstorms across parts of Alabama. That was the radar at 2:38. That's the Columbus Air Force Base radar. Birmingham was down. Now they hope to be back up later today. But you can see showers and thunderstorms from near the Shoals and Huntsville down through northwest and west central Alabama. Rain falling around Tuscaloosa. Those showers and storms slowly moving to the east. Temperatures are in the 70s where rain is falling. It's only 72 at Cullman, but away from the showers and storms, we have mid-80s on this August day. About 8, 9, maybe 10 degrees above average in spots. Montgomery at 89. But behind that surface front over eastern Arkansas, much cooler. Arkansas with an amazing thermal contrast. You've got readings around 50 back up in the northwestern corner of the state, then 80s in southeast Arkansas. The cool air really doesn't reach Alabama, but the drier air will. And we'll see lower humidity values by Thursday and Friday. And we'll see lows down in the 50s on Friday morning. It'll feel pretty good. Around the nation, we have freeze warnings in effect tonight for parts of the midsection. And a marginal severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight through areas north and west of Alabama in advance of that surface front. Rain for the next 5 days, about 1/2 inch for much of the state. And again, the bulk of that's going to be today. And really after today, things look relatively dry for a while. In the tropics, all quiet except for Tropical Storm Ophelia. Up in the central Atlantic, fairly high in latitude. Going to hang around, maybe becoming a hurricane, but then moving eastward toward Europe. No threat. No threat to the United States at all. So, model fans, here we go. Here's the GFS valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock Central Time. This is at 500 millibars. New trough in the northwest. Familiar sight for the southeastern states. It's the ridge. And again, it should be warm with highs in the low to mid-80s, partly sunny. Showers, if any, should be few and far between. Most places will be dry, and the dew points begin to come down. Thursday, mostly sunny and less humid. I think we'll see low 80s, pretty good north breeze, dew points dropping in the 50s. Friday, we start the day in the 50s. In fact, some of the cooler pockets might see upper 40s. That'll feel good. But understand, we warm right back up. With a very dry air mass, we warm up into the mid-80s Friday. This is Saturday. There's the upper look, and boy, what a ridge. That thing is centered right on top of us. And another cold trough back in the west. For us today will be sunny and warm with highs in the mid-80s. Sunday, same thing. Warm, dry, mid-80s. Got a cold front from near Chicago down to Lubbock, Texas. And Monday, that front creeps in here. It might kick off a shower or two, but there's very limited moisture, so rain, if any, should be light. And we cool down. The GFS showing a high Monday of 74, and then Tuesday, a northwest flow aloft, a dry air mass, very nice. The low Tuesday morning is down to 50 on the GFS with a high in the 70s. That'll feel much, much more like fall. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday of next week, October 20th, and again, a big trough in the northwest. Heights about where they should be here, and again, that's a fairly cool, dry air mass in place coming in from the northeast. You can see for the next several days, highs mostly in the 80s, but next week, highs drop in the 70s, which is where we should be for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.